Bose's unreleased AirPods Pro competitor pops up on YouTube. You know something? This is like an old-fashioned leak, Will. This is an old-fashioned tech leak right here. You scroll down and you see the video. It's some guy, he doesn't say anything in the video. He just unboxes a pair of headphones that aren't out on the market at all. And it says FPO on the front for position only, meaning it's some sort of a prototype package. And he just kind of quietly unboxes these. I don't think there's any volume. Is there any volume in there?
Let me see here.
I don't think so. He just quietly unboxes these things. They're not out yet. They were rumored for a while. Some noise-canceling AirPods competitors from Bose.
With the official unboxing or official packaging.
What looks like official packaging minus the FPO piece on the front. Now, some people were waiting for these because Bose does noise canceling fairly well. In the past, they have. Their 700 series over-the-ear headphones, I enjoyed. They weren't my go-to choice, but they were a decent selection. And people are waiting to see, okay, what are they working on for the fully wireless version? For some noise canceling. Because Apple's got the AirPods Pro, there's a variety of competitors there. You would expect Bose to have a play. And this is potentially our first glimpse at it. If this is real, you see the charge case, you see the earbuds themselves, you see the packaging, and not much else. And apparently the guy himself who posted the video, he's not even really a tech YouTuber or anything like that. His other videos on the page, I like that the CNET report mentioned his other videos on the page. Let's see what it was. Maybe you can go to his page. Go to Josh Quill's page here, 22 subscribers. Dead malls, couple of dead. I like to watch those videos every so often when they go look at the abandoned buildings.
Good on him.
So, and then he just gets the random unreleased Bose upload. That's such an old-fashioned YouTube channel. I feel like I'm back in 2005, 2007, I should say. That's a 2007 YouTube channel, and he's got the tech leak on there. So anyways, we can't say much about these earbuds, but I just thought it was noteworthy. Of course, Bose is working on something like this. I have no idea why this guy has them. PlayStation 5.